Hello everyone, today let's talk about hub oil seal in the rear wheel oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and metal. The spring is on the front. Look there. This is spring. And this size is internal diameter is 56 and the external diameter is 114. The single is 10. And it has OEM number. This OEM number is MB308966. You can through the OEM number to find this oil seal. And this seal also have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature with longer service life and more wear resistance, good structure, aging resistance, and good brush resistance, oil leakage prevention, mud-proof water, thickened spring, and thickened skeleton. This is spring. And our factory also can provide customers the service. We can customize this size, this color, this material, and this type. If you are interested in this project, just send us our inquiries, and we also can send you the free samples. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.